Yo, what's up everybody? Coming at you live from The Daily Show. Well, not really live, but we're talking about something super important today, semiconductors. And no, I'm not talking about those things your science teacher used to pull out in high school. I'm talking about the brains of every single gadget you own, from your phone to your laptop, even your fancy smart fridge. Now, you wouldn't believe me if I told you that one of the biggest players in the semiconductor game is a country most people know for its beaches and boxing. That's right, folks, we're talking about the Philippines. This Southeast Asian nation has quietly become a semiconductor powerhouse, assembling, testing, and packaging these tiny chips that power our digital lives. Alright, before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break it down. What exactly are semiconductors? In the simplest terms, these tiny chips are like on-off switches that control the flow of electricity. They're made from materials that are neither good conductors like copper nor good insulators like rubber. This unique property allows them to control electrical current in very precise ways, making them the brains behind our computers, smartphones, cars, and even washing machines. Think of them like the nervous system of all our gadgets. Without semiconductors, our tech would be as useful as a screen door on a submarine. No Instagram, no online shopping sprees, no watching cat videos at 3 a.m. The horror. So, how did the Philippines, a country known for its stunning landscapes and warm hospitality, become a major player in this high-tech industry? Well, it all started back in the 1960s. The government, eager to attract foreign investment and boost the economy, set up special economic zones with tax breaks and other incentives. American companies like Texas Instruments saw an opportunity to tap into a skilled and affordable workforce. They set up shop in the Philippines, bringing with them the knowledge and technology for semiconductor assembly and testing. This marked the beginning of the Philippines' journey to becoming a semiconductor hub. Section 4, Global Giants, Philippine Soil. A look at the key players. Fast forward a few decades, and the Philippines is now home to some of the biggest names in the semiconductor industry. We're talking global giants like Texas Instruments, Amkor Technology, ON Semiconductor, and Integrated Microelectronics Inc., or IMI. These companies have established large-scale manufacturing facilities, employing hundreds of thousands of Filipinos and contributing significantly to the country's exports. One particular region that has benefited immensely is the Calabarzon region, just south of Manila. This area has become a major electronics manufacturing hub, attracting billions of dollars in investments and creating countless job opportunities. Section 5. Zones of Progress. How the Philippines attracts investment. Now you might be wondering, how did the Philippines manage to attract these industry giants? Well, apart from a young, skilled, and English-speaking workforce, the government played a key role in creating an attractive investment climate. They established special economic zones, commonly known as export processing zones, offering various incentives to foreign companies. These zones provide tax breaks, simplified import-export procedures, and access to world-class infrastructure, making it easier for companies to set up shop and do business. This strategic approach has been instrumental in positioning the Philippines as a competitive player in the global semiconductor market. Section 6. Keeping pace, the Philippines' competitive edge. But it's not all smooth sailing in the world of semiconductors. The industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and competitors emerging all the time. So how does the Philippines stay ahead of the game? Well, it all boils down to continuous improvement. The Philippines is investing heavily in education and training, ensuring that its workforce has the skills and knowledge to adapt to the latest advancements. The country is also focusing on research and development, collaborating with universities and institutions to stay at the forefront of innovation. Section 7. The future is Filipino, a legacy of innovation. So the next time you're scrolling through your phone, remember the tiny nation playing a big role in making it all possible. The Philippines has quietly become an unsung hero of the digital age, powering our connected world one semiconductor at a time. And as technology continues to advance, you can bet the Philippines will be right there, innovating and adapting, ensuring its place as a true semiconductor powerhouse. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go check on my Instagram. Peace out.